Hello friends, welcome to our channel NJP Coaching. আমি আজি NJP Coaching or জৰিয়তে arithmetic-ৰ এটা important topic discuss কৰিবলৈ লৈছো. Topic-টো হৈছে percentage problems. Okay, let's start the class. Percentage problems. Actually, basic যিবিলাক quantitative aptitude section আছে তাৰ ভিতৰত percentage problem এটা আৰু ইয়াক mainly apply কৰা হয় data interpretation, profit loss, interest and ratio based sum problems. এইবিলাকত আমি percentage problems use কৰো. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ introduction to percentage. So percentage to ki hoy keneke uliwa jay. So fraction to percentage le keneke convert kora jay. Fraction to percentage, percentage to decimals keneke convert kora jay. So yat ahibo finding percentage of quantity, comparing quantities and ratio use percentage. Eta important topic hoy. Thik teneke expressing as percentage, ratio to percentage, finding the whole number from percentage. Enekwa dhৰণৰ topic bilak ahibo. So percentage increase and decrease, very important this one. Percentage decrease, percentage increase, net effect of successive changes, applications, profit and loss. Eta ta extra topic hoy, mainly 8-9 class or level leke ahe. Profit percent, loss percent, mark price, discounts, etc. Simple interest and compound interest. Yato ami percentage use hoy. Difference between simple interest and compound interest. Enekwa dhৰণৰ. So advanced application কিছুমান আছে যেনেকে population growth, depreciation, mixers and allegations. So yat moi example ketaman di disu apnaloke sai lobo. Directly ami MCQ ketaman discuss korim. Aru ji hokole amar app download kori premium class loise tekhet hokole সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ chapter to amar with note sabo paribo kiba query hole janabo. Okay, first question to loisu. 25% of a number is 15. What is the 40% of that? Hey, eketa number or 40% to kiman hobo. So, ami suppose number to dhorilolu x. So, x into 25%. X into 25% equal 15. That means x into 25 by 100 equal 15. So what is x? What is x? 15 into 100 by 25. Ami x uliale a number to 15 to divide koribo lage. That means ami oppositely multiply korim. Yar jitu reciprocal hobo. So 25 4. If we cancel, then it will be 60. So number we have got 60. Itia 40% of that number, that means 60 into 40%. 40% equals 60 into 40 by 100. 40 by 100. 0 kita cancel hobo. Answer to hobo 24. So right option is option number A. Next question to loisu. A shopkeeper increases the price of an item by 20% and then decreases the new price by 20%. So what is the net percentage change from the original price? So enekwa dhৰণৰ question khube important. Etu na bhabibo je 20% increase korar pisot ako jodi 20% decrease kori dia jay je net change to 0% hoy jabo enekwa nohoy. Karon ami original price to jodi 100 dhori long, originally suppose originally price to asile 100. Originally price asile 100. Price equal rupees 100. Okay. Etia ami 20% prothomate increase jodi kori diu. So 100 to 20% increase kori dile hobo 120. Because ami hubidhar karone 100 dhori luisu. 20% means 20 by 100. So 100 of jetia amar 20% increase hobo tetia hole 120 hobo. Okay. 120 hoy gol etia jetia 20% moi decrease korim tetia 120 pora 20% decrease hobo. That means 20% etia jetia decrease korim to 20% decrease korile decrease value to kiman hobo 120 minus 20% of 120 etu hobo duta zero cancel hol. So 24 120 minus 24. Okay. So hoboge amar 96. That means originally ki asile 100 asile increase kori 120 hol akho 20% decrease korilot ebar value to holke 96. That means original price to logot difference kiman ahile 4 rupees difference ahile. That means 4% decrease hol. 4% decrease hol. That is the right answer. Okay. Next question to losu. The ratio of gold to silver in two alloys. Duta alloy dia ase eta duta alloy gold aru silver ratio to beleg 7:3 4:3 4:6 respectively. If they are mixed in the ratio 2:3, eruta alloy jodi 2:3 ratio mix kori dia jay, what is the percentage of gold in the resulting alloy? Jitu resulting alloy bonibo tat gold percentage kiman hobo? So prothomote ami ki korim ratio to simply ami ki korim gold first alloy to kiman parts ase percentage wise ami likhibo paru. Suppose alloy 1 first alloy 1 muli moi naam disu jitu ratio 7:3 tar gold ase 7 parts aru total 7 plus 3. So ami palm 7/10 tamane 70% gold ase 70% gold ase aru next junto alloy to alloy 2 loisu tat ratio to ase 4:6. So 4 by total parts 4 plus 6 aru tetia ami pam 4/10 aru ami etu percentage of 40% pam 40% into 100% koile 40 ahibo etu into 100% koile 70 ahibo. So ami alloy 1 aru alloy 2 enake 70% aru 40% gold palu. Etia duita alloy mixer kori dia hoise etu ratio 2:3 ratio duita alloy mixer kora hoise. What is the percentage of gold in the mixer? Etia 2 parts of first alloy, 3 parts of second alloy. And ami unit to jodi sao ene ratio to jodi sao unit to 10 units ase. So alloy 1 etu alloy jodi moi 2:3 ratio first alloy to 2 parts. So 2 into 10 units because this was 7 plus 3 4 plus 6 10 units asile. So ami 2 into 10 so ami 20 units prothom to alloy khetrot ami 20 units palu total. So yat ki koribo parim alloy 1 to jehetu 20 units ase 20 units. So yar goal kiman ase 20 units lole ratio 7/10 asile 7/10 into 20. So 14 units goal ahile 14 units goes ahile total 20 units of bhitorot etu sabo etu total 20 units aru tare goal ahibo 14 units. Thik teneke alloy 2 number alloy 2 আমি তাত 3 পাৰ্টস লৈছো so total units to 10 units asile 10 units ot 3 parts lole 30 units ahibo total 30 units hol so 30 units hole yar ratio to asile 4/10 into 30 units so 12 units palu ami 12 units ami goal palu egita sabo egita 20 units 30 units total hoy aru egita goal mixarut ami egita goal palu so etia total units hol 50 aru total goal hol 26 units 26 units goal 50 units mixaru total 50 units aru goal to hol 26 units so ami etia mixarut goal lo percentage to keneke uliam 26/50 into 100% 26 so kiman hobo 52 52% 52% option B is the right answer okay
friends amar aji class to sampurna rupe pabole amar website njpcoaching.com.in yat visit korok aru amar app link tu duitai ami website or link aru app link ei video tu description on dia hoise so njp coaching all exams expert amar app tu download kori lok aru jiketa premium class ase paid class ase apnaloke payment kori apnaloke sampurna rupe class bilak sabo paribo okay thank you